friends, I am Sajid and welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the antutu benchmark test between the Honor 9X and the OnePlus 7 Pro device. So before starting the test, first let me show you what are the configurations about both the devices. So as you can see here guys, the Honor 9X comes with the Kirin 810 processor and 6GB RAM variant. So 64GB inbuilt variant guys. So right now I'm using this in this video. And whereas the OnePlus 7 Pro comes with a Snapdragon 855 and 12GB RAM variant. So this RAM is of double the size of the Honor 9X device, as you can see here. So now I'll be comparing the antutu benchmark test between the Honor 9X and the OnePlus 7 Pro device. So this is not the fair comparison, but I just want to compare both the devices. So as you can see here guys, OnePlus 7 Pro scored around 3,67,000. So in my previous test. So now I'll be starting the test again for this review purpose. So don't forget to check the link in the description for the playlist which contain full videos of the Honor 9X device and the OnePlus 7 Pro and the Realme X and the Redmi K1 Pro as well. So I'll be adding all the videos in each category depending on the phone. So try to check the playlist so you'll get a clear idea about the device. So overall in terms of the performance, the Honor 9X is quite good. There's no problem with the Honor 9X device. So I tried to play the PUBG gameplay's HDR settings as well using the GFX tool. So it worked pretty good. There's no lag or delay in that. So I also did a video on that. So check the links in the description for the playlist of the Honor 9X. So you'll get a clear idea about the performance and multitasking about the Honor 9X. So in the upcoming videos, I'll be comparing with the Redmi K1 Pro as well, the multitasking test, side-by-side comparison with that. So subscribe to my channel guys for more future comparison videos. So if you have any queries regarding the phone, comment below, I'll be replying to you. So again, I'll be back after once the tests get finished. So as you can see here guys, finally the antutu benchmark test has been completed in both the devices, Honor 9X and the OnePlus 7 Pro. In the Honor 9X, the score scored around more than 2 lakh guys. So this is a good thing about the Honor 9X device. As you can see here, 2 lakhs and 23,000. So whereas the OnePlus 7 Pro scored around 3 lakhs and 63,828 in the OnePlus 7 Pro. So that's good considering the Snapdragon 855 processor in the OnePlus 7 Pro. But in the Honor 9X, I didn't expect to be this much higher score, not above 2 lakh. So when compared with other devices like Realme X and the Redmi K20, the Honor 9X is pretty good processor. Kirin 810 processor is pretty good. So this is the overall benchmark comparison video between the Honor 9X and the OnePlus 7 Pro device. So in the upcoming video, I'll be comparing with the Huawei Y9 Prime as well. So Huawei Y9 Prime as the chipset of Kirin 710 chipset. So whereas the Honor 9X has a Kirin 810 processor. So we can compare both the scores as well, 710 versus 810. So stay tuned guys for that. So see you in the next video guys. Bye.